Okay, so this is the adapter I'm using. Zoom in on, get a better view. 120 volts, AC, 60 hertz, 0.15 amps. The output is 9.6 VDC, 200 milliamps. Plug it in. Lights up. On and off. That works. Right now I'm in input A, output A, in from the guitar, out to the amp. Right here. Turning the amp on. Volume down a little bit. My echo on the amp is all the way down. That's the pedal. So the pedal does work. Mix, and the decay knob is now off of the track. This is the furthest right point, which is about 2 o'clock, and this is the furthest left point, which is about 4 o'clock. So it looks like the axis was turned from this way a whole, would that be 45-degree angle to this way. So, and now the mode, this is the furthest, it goes counterclockwise, so that would be the 63 SP setting, which sounds like this. I had turned down the mix before it was at full blast. I'll turn the mix down. I'll switch to the next one over, which is spring reverb. Turn the mix up a little bit. That's a spring reverb. This is the plate. That's plate. This is room. The next one is chamber. Next one is hall. The next one is ducking. Kind of gets out of the way. I'm still pretty heavy on the mix, long on the decay, long on the time. The trails are off. I'll turn them on now. That really, it's whatever. The tone's all the way up. So we're on ducking. This next one's a little weird. It's a kind of more of an effect. It's space. So if you can see on the thing where it says space, but I'm already way past space, even past the end of echo. So now after space is cave, and then after cave we got tile and echo. Would be the last one. So that's input A. So you can see it works. Now I'll turn it off. Still passing signal. I'm going to turn the amp off for a second. Go into input B. Turn the amp back on. Now I'm in input B. Going out, input B. We're back on the space, the effect. Okay, so that's all the modes in input B, which works as well. So you saw how the decay was switched from max and min over here to a 45-degree angle this way. That's the minimum. This is the maximum. And then the mode somehow got switched. This is the minimum. So minimum and maximum got switched from this way to this way. So that would be the minimum, that would be the maximum. So these two were off track when I got the pedal back. And both inputs and outputs work. Everything on the pedal works fine.